Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily craft items on Disney Dreamlight Valley. So there are 3 crafting tables. There's one at your house, there's one in Goofy's house, like right around here, and there's also one inside Scrooge's store, but we are going to use the one in our house. But if you don't have it, just use Goofy's or Scrooge's crafting station, because you do have to finish a quest for, I think this one I got it for free from Scrooge. So I want to, for instance, craft something like fabric. So I'm just going to select the crafting kind of material that I want to make. You can also select functional items. You can create crafting station. You can also create some other stuff. You can even create furniture, and they also like show you like how much of these you need to create that specific item. So if you like select this, I need to find these flowers to be able to create that. So select the item that you want to make, and then just press make and press continue, and that's basically it. You can make more than one by pressing this bit right here and just selecting like how much you need, for instance like 5, then press continue. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!